Why does your scanner show the P2588 engine code? What does it mean? P2588 is a diagnostic trouble code for turbocharger boost control position sensor B circuit low. The P2588 engine code for indicate your vehicle's engine control computer has detected that the electrical signal from the turbocharger's vane or boost control sensor is unusually low, often dropping below 0.5 volts. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring harness, corroded or loose connectors, faulty boost control sensor, faulty ECM or PCM, mechanical binding or actuator failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, GMC, Toyota, Hyundai, Jeep, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.